Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 56, which is worked with Hobby Store Special DK yarn with color name Smoky Blue and color code 5004. This stitch requires multiples of 4 plus 2 stitches or multiples of 4 chains to begin with. Okay, to begin with, let us make the standing DC. Standing twisted DC as the very first one, double crochet, and then skip 2 and make 2 trebles. Skip 2, make 2 trebles. Chain 2 and a double crochet, all in the same stitch. Again skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the fourth make 2 trebles. Chain 2, a DC. Everything in the same stitch. So continue, skip 3, 2 treble, chain 2, 1 DC. Skip 3, 2 treble, chain 2, 1 DC in one single stitch. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end over here. We have come to the end of the first row. Place a treble in the very last stitch. Skip 1 and place a treble. Turn your work, standing double crochet, and henceforth you are going to work only in chain 2 spaces. In every chain 2 space you place 2 trebles, chain 2, 1 double crochet. You are not working on the stitches or DCs or trebles, you are working in chain 2 spaces. Place 2 trebles, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the chain 2 space all across. I shall meet you at the end here. Come to the end of row 2, you make a treble in the very last stitch. So instead of working like this, I am going to insert my hook from the opposite end. Pick up under this V. Yeah. So it gives a neat edge. And the next row I'm going to stop with these 2 rows for the blanket, and I'm going to make a DC row. Place 1 DC in each of the stitches and 1 DC under chain 2 space. So that will fetch you the number of DCs you started with. That is for my swatch 34, in the blanket 302. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. I shall meet you with the next pattern in the next video. Bye for now.